This video will show you how to use the dictionary, translator, highlighter, and screen capture functions of Kurzweil. To use the dictionary function, select a word by left-clicking at the beginning of the word and dragging over the word, or by double-clicking on the word. Then select the purple dictionary button on the Kurzweil extension to see the definition. You can change which dictionary is being used or select a thesaurus using the drop-down menu. To use the translator function, select a word and then select the yellow translator button to the right of the dictionary button. You can select which language you want the word translated to by using the drop-down menu. There is also a highlighter function in the Kurzweil extension. The highlighter doesn't work on every web page, and so it is easier to use the highlighter on files uploaded to the Kurzweil website. However, to use the highlighter function in the Kurzweil extension, select the yellow highlighter button in the Kurzweil extension. A menu will pop up. Currently, the mouse is selected. However, you can choose different colors to use as highlighters, or choose to erase what you have highlighted. You can also undo your most recent highlights by selecting the undo button. You can choose to hide what you have highlighted on a page by selecting the button labeled Hide, or you can show what you have highlighted by selecting the button labeled Show. Additionally, you can delete all highlights on a page by selecting the button labeled Delete All Highlights on this page. You can export what you have highlighted by selecting the button labeled Outline. This will open the Kurzweil website and create a document with what you have highlighted. From here, you can download the document as a Word, Kurzweil, plain text, rich text, or PDF file. You can also export your highlights into a table by selecting Column Notes. Play around with the highlight features to figure out what works best for you. The highlight feature is also on the main website with additional features. Lastly, a helpful tool of the Kurzweil extension is the screen capture tool. Select the orange screen capture button to the right of the translation button. This will bring up a selection tool. Click and drag to select the portion of the screen you would like to read. A new screen will open with what you have selected. This is the full web version of Kurzweil 3000. From here, you can press play at the top of the page to have text read aloud, and you can adjust the settings with the Settings button, which is now located at the top of the page. There are additional functions that are described in detail in the Kurzweil 3000 web page video playlist, which will be linked in the description below. For a brief overview, the highlight button or menu is on the left, and you can add notes to the page by selecting the note button and selecting sticky notes or text notes. You can save the file to your Kurzweil account by selecting the Save button on the top left corner of the page. You can download the file as a Word, Kurzweil, plain text, rich text, or PDF file. The screen capture tool is useful if you don't want all text on a page to be read to you. You can select the portion relevant to you. Additionally, if there is a PDF file or image on a website that the Kurzweil extension won't read, using the screen capture tool will take you to the Kurzweil's website and allow the text to be read aloud and highlighted.